rules that I follow in my hair care routine. So when I brush my hair, I always pull it to one side, ends, mid, always hold above where you're brushing. That way you aren't pulling out hair straight from the scalp. So never ever, unless you have curly hair and that's like how you can brush your hair, never brush your hair when it's wet. Always let your hair dry first. Never go to sleep with your hair wet. That can cause a lot of scalp issues. You can even get like fungus growing on your scalp because your hair can't dry properly when you're sleeping and it's closed off on a pillow and stuff like that. Silk or at least satin pillowcases. So if you're someone who uses a lot of like hairspray or hair gel, it really doesn't matter. Even if you're doing like protective braid-in styles but you're using a lot of gel can over time, it can damage your hair. You have to make sure the products you're using are more natural based. So I know when I do my videos I use hairspray, but I literally only do them once a month kind of thing, or I'm not like constantly applying heat to my hair, constantly applying chemicals to my hair. For me, my most important goal is to love my hair the way it is naturally. I was doing a grow out process and I had to cut out red, and I was losing my mind because I kept seeing red in my hair, and my best friend and me were on video call and I would just be cutting at my hair, like cutting as much as I could without like taking away too much length, but I would just cut because I wanted my natural hair back. I wanted to know what my natural color looked like again. But if you can avoid bleach, like if you can use something like lemon or something, or always go for natural alternatives over all these like chemicals that are in all these crazy products. It's actually a really big jump. Go from products that are super filled with all these chemicals to more natural like products. The reason that is because when you switch, you're gonna be like, oh, this isn't working for my hair. Really, what it's doing is your hair is actually bringing out all these oils that the shampoo and conditioner that you were using that had all these toxins in it was making your hair need. The more constant need for that strip of all your natural hair oils. Switching to more natural products is your hair naturally will be in a better state. Try to wash your hair as little as possible where you're able to maintain what you want. So your hair gets too oily and you don't feel comfortable in it anymore, that's when you'll do a wash day. But the least wash days you do, the best, because your hair oils that come naturally over time, they're actually the best oils for your hair. That's what helps with hair growth, hair health, everything. You need your hair oils to sit on your head, but you also can't constantly strip them, meaning like try not to wash your hair every single day. Even if you have like oily scalp, if you wash your hair every single day, then what you're doing is actually giving your scalp that need to be washed every single day. So your hair is going to get oily faster. For me, I try to do like two wash days a week or one wash day a week, just depending on how my hair is feeling. And you can like make yourself have a very specific hair routine. Try to feed your hair. So try to put things in your hair that absolutely just benefit. Don't overbrush your hair out too. If you literally take a brush and you like massage it, or you can get those scalp massagers, because that increases the blood flow and it makes your hair grow faster. So you just like massage your scalp with your brush. I know it's kind of weird. The first time you do it, you might be like, this feels weird, but it can also feel really good. I got too into it. For me, I'll show you what shampoo and conditioner that I use. So I use Carol's Daughter Goddess Strength. No parabens, petrolatum, mineral oil, or artificial colors. Mineral oil is not good for your hair. Not good at all. This has castor oil, ginger, and black cumin seed. So castor oil, absolutely amazing to put in your hair. Ginger, I don't know the research on that. OUIDAD, the Curl Experts Waterworks Clarifying Shampoo. Sometimes I use curly hair products because my hair is thick, so it just takes to it better. That's all the hair care tips I have. I hope you guys learn what's helped me with my hair over the years. I was thankfully blessed with really thick hair. So thank you to my parents, but you can achieve anything you want. You just have to put in the work. Thanks for watching.